In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Instagram voice call feature. This is really handy if you want to talk to your friends or family directly through Instagram without switching to another app. I'll walk you through each part slowly so you can follow along on your own phone while you listen. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. From the home screen, look for the paper airplane or messenger style icon, usually in the top right corner. This icon takes you to your Instagram messages, also called direct messages or DMs. Go ahead and tap that. Once you're in your messages, you'll see a list of conversations. These can be chats with individual people, group chats, or message requests. To enable and use the voice call feature, you need to open the specific chat where you want to make the call. So scroll through your list and tap on the contact or conversation you want to call. When the chat opens, you'll see the usual layout: messages in the middle, and the text box at the bottom. Now look carefully at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small phone icon there. This is the Instagram voice call button. To start a voice call, simply tap on that phone icon. As soon as you tap it, Instagram will begin calling the other person through your internet connection. If this is your first time making a voice call on Instagram, your phone might show a pop-up asking for permission to use your microphone. Make sure you allow this. Otherwise, the other person won't be able to hear you. If the call is ringing for a long time, it usually means the person is not online or not answering. You can hang up and try again later, or send them a message in the chat to let them know you just tried calling. During the call, you'll have basic controls like mute and end call, similar to other calling apps. If you don't see the phone icon at all, check that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from your app store, and that you have a stable internet connection. Also remember that voice calls use data, so if you're not on Wi-Fi, they will use your mobile data, and that's it. By going to your Instagram messages, opening the right chat, and tapping the phone icon in the top right corner, you can quickly enable and start using Instagram's voice call feature.